So apparently Dollar Tree is the place to be this fall Halloween season. If you haven't been there yet, definitely make a trip there. On TikTok, I've seen several people say it was better than Target, which I haven't gone shopping at yet. But according to TikTok, Dollar Tree is the place to be. So in today's video, we're going to be making some Dollar Tree fall DIYs that are super easy and fun. So let's jump into the video. So I have wanted to make this wreath for a really long time, and I'm so excited that I finally decided to make it. So you're going to want to pick up one of these witch's hat wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. Once you have the wreath form, you're going to need an old pair of jeans. You can either get that at the thrift store or just use a pair of jeans you might have around your house. These are my husband's old work pants. I've been using them for a couple other projects and some other videos, and so I just had some pieces of this left. I have about half to like 2/3 of this pair of pants left. You're going to use probably the majority of the pair of pants to make this wreath. It kind of depends on how you cut and what pieces you want to use. So for the beginning part, we're going to go ahead and take the section of jeans that you want to use. I wanted to have a pocket on mine. If you don't want to, you can just use a leg piece as well. So once I have it kind of positioned on the jeans, I'm going to kind of cut around here. We want to go at an angle, and you want to be able to fold some of it over on the back. So you're going to have to cut as you go. Once you have your desired section that you want to glue on, we're going to fold them over. You want a good point at the top because you want it to look like a pointy hat. Once you get the sides all glued on, I kind of had a work in progress here, but I had taken the bottom and I had folded it over the rung, but then I decided I didn't like that because I wanted to add something there at the bottom. You could still do that and then add your raffia to the jean part right there. It would have something more substantial to stick to. I chose to take it off the ring, kind of fold a little bit and hot glue. It's pretty sturdy, so you don't have to worry about it coming apart or moving around down there at the bottom, even though it's not attached to anything. Once I get that all together, I'm ready to do the bottom section. I decided to add my raffia first, and so I originally started trying to tie them onto the pieces, but I think I had too big of sections and I didn't like how that looked. So I took that all apart and decided to just hot glue it onto the rungs. Once I get it all hot glued, I'm going to go ahead and go around the sides and the bottom piece with my jean pieces. Now to make your jean pieces, you're going to take sections of your jeans, preferably the legs, and then you're going to go ahead and cut about 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch, and then you're going to tear. You're going to make several strips out of this. You can do your own desired length that you like, and then you're going to tie them into a knot. You're going to do that all around the outer ring of the wreath frame. There is also this little section that holds the pieces together in the middle. I went ahead and tied some around that as well because then you get some jean material in between your raffia. I also went inside the raffia pieces and just kind of added a few pieces of jeans in there so you don't have this giant piece of raffia and then just some jean pieces. You can put as much or as little as you want in between there just to kind of make it look like there is jean pieces sticking out of the raffia. Once you have your bottom part completed, then we're going to just add a couple of details. I took a piece of burlap ribbon from Dollar Tree and cut it into a little rectangle. I also took some ribbon that I got from Dollar Tree, cut a little square, glued that on top of my burlap. Then I decided to make a shabby bow using some of my leftover pieces of jeans and some not burlap ribbon, some plaid ribbon that I got at Dollar Tree, and I went ahead and crisscrossed them to make my shabby bow. I glued that to the top of my wreath, and then that is it. I love how this turned out. I'm really happy with it. Let me know if you're going to make this one or if you have seen this wreath before. I think it's adorable. I love making things with jeans. Let me know what you think about this one. for this project, you can pick up one of these boxes in the Dollar Tree Plus section. They are $3. I think hexagon shapes of any like type are great for pumpkins. I've made a lot of different projects out of hexagon shapes for fall, but this one I decided to go ahead and put navy on the inside of my box. I'm using like a caramel color for the outside of the box. I felt like both of those complemented our bow that we're going to use. Once I get it all painted, I'm just going to add my bow up at the top with some of these little wood pieces. I got these at Hobby Lobby in a giant bag when they were on sale. There are all different sizes, so you can use them for all kinds of different projects. I'm going to take 3 of them, glue them on top of each other to make the stem. Then I'm going to glue my bow to the stem, and then I decided to add a few leaves. These also came from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to add them to the back, and that is it. This one was super simple, definitely my favorite of the day. Let me know what you guys think about this one. If you've made it this far in the video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and become a part of my YouTube family. If you are this far along in the video, comment a pumpkin emoji. So for this project, we don't even need any fall supplies necessarily, except for some florals, but we're going to pick up one of these beaded garlands. It is $1.25. We're going to get a piece of floral foam and one of these little square wood pieces you can get in the Dollar Tree Crafters Square aisle. All we're going to do is kind of make a little cutout in our floral foam, and we're going to put our beaded garland into the floral foam. I did need a lot of glue to make sure that this was sturdy and held up. You're going to want to hold on to it as well so that it doesn't fall down and that you have a good sturdy base. Once you have that in there, all we're going to do is add our florals. Now, if you want to paint your beads or your bottom piece, you can do that. I chose to leave it in neutral color. I added florals all from the Dollar Tree. This was super easy. I think it turned out really cute. I'm loving these pre-made bows that I found at Dollar Tree the other day. I think they're super cute patterns, and you know I love navy, and they have some really cute navy options. I'm just going to add one of these bows up at the top, and that is it for this project. Let me know what you guys think about this one. I love decorating for Halloween, and I'm more of a cutesy decorator than a gory, scary decorator, but I saw this inspiration piece that was similar to this, and I thought this would be so fun to make, super easy, and you can do this one with kids. So we're going to take a jar, and I just had a leftover mason jar, but you could use a pasta jar for this as well. You also need a mop head from the Dollar Tree. All we're going to do is take our piece that the pole would screw into. We're going to add some hot glue to that, and we're going to attach it to the top of our jar. Once I have that attached, I'm going to go ahead and flip over my mop piece and kind of brush out the mop piece. Then we're going to take this super cute hat pick I saw at the Dollar Tree. We're just going to take the bottom piece out of it. We're going to add some hot glue, add it to the top, and you get this really cute ghost that has a witch head. I decided that we needed a couple eyes. I did not have any black felt. I looked everywhere, so I guess I need to pick some of that up. But I just used some jeans, cut out some holes or some little ovals to make eyes, and then I painted them black so that we would have black eyes for our ghost. I hot glued them to my mop, and that is it. This is so cute, and there you could do different sizes, you could do different patterns on the front if you wanted, and definitely different hat options. But let me know what you think about this super cute ghost. So glad you guys were here, and if you made it to the end of the video, thank you so much for staying with me through this entire video. If you want to keep on crafting with me, check out this video next, and as always, wherever you are in your journey is a perfect place to start, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!